In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apollo.io with Claude. Now, first you want to go to the left and you want to click on Customize, and from here you want to click on Connect Your Apps. Then you want to go to the top and search for Apollo, like this, and you want to click on the plus button next to it to connect. Then wait for a few seconds to actually upload up the website, and there we go, it's going to prompt you to basically sign in. So for me, I'm signed in already, therefore I just have to authorize, but if it prompts you to sign in, you could use your sign-in method, whether it's being like Gmail or Google, or of course your email and password, whatever. Then sign in, click on authorize over here, and whenever you do this, it's going to start loading back and you're going to get back into Claude where it says connected to Apollo.io. You can then go to connectors, and from here you can view up top right, you can go into details and you can see basically the tools you can use, how you can use them, and the ways to interact with Apollo.io and your account and everything inside it directly from Claude. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.